Hey vlog.
Hi friends.
How many years has it been since the third video?
Oh my gosh, probably
A lot.
5 or 6 years,
Literally.
literally.
Back, I have red hair.
We both have red hair. What happened to us? And we've got Vlog Dog. She wasn't in the thrifting video,
This
but
is my first video.
yep. And we're going camping this weekend. This is our first
Glamping.
oh yeah, I guess it's not for real camping.
And then, can I get my eggs scrambled?
Absolutely. Did you want cheese?
Yummy? Where were we?
Was it recording the whole time?
I stopped it, but I was like, this is awkward. What was I saying though? Oh, we're going glamping.
In Tennessee?
In Tennessee.
In a yurt.
In a yurt. And it's gonna be so fun, and we're gonna vlog it for you. We're gonna be off the grid.
We're at our first stop.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't it so yummy?
That looks beautiful. I'm okay.
Mine is literally sizzling.
Mine does not look very good, but just know it.
Will you record yours?
Bro.
Oh my gosh.
How's everything look, ladies?
Amazing. Thank you.
Give it to locked out. Give it to locked
Sorry,
out.
it looked like I was recording a crack.
Oh. Did that crack just happen?
No. It happened when I moved it to college. Jada hit it on something. Demolished.
Yup. It's just funny to me how she likes it.
Just now going through Nashville.
We have an hour and 33 minutes left.
We're gonna stop at Walmart and get some foods and some ice. We need to get ice from a gas station or Walmart.
Are we going to Walmart first?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful.
And then the beautiful city of Nashville. Theo Von City.
Just the over.
Yeah. Walmart trip.
Wow, I bet that's beautiful on the inside.
I hate this like piece of nastiness that's on my window. Can't even take a pretty video. I heard all mountains are inactive volcanoes.
What?
Don't fact check me on that.
I don't think I need to.
Look it up. Now you have to. Now you have to look it up.
Oh my gosh, imagine.
Can I have the floor, please?
Okay.
For a mountain to be a volcano and a volcano to be a mountain,
Okay.
it must be formed from magma and volcanic materials from below the Earth's surface. Some mountains are formed just from plate movement below the surface without involving any volcanic materials. Thus, these mountains are not volcanoes.
And is that a credible source? Are we sure that source is credible?
I'm so excited.
Vibes.
Me in the office. If I was in the office.
Wow, this is cute.
Oh, this is really
This is so much more cute than I expected.
All right, we just got the firewood.
Okay.
And we're gonna go see our yurt. I'm so excited. I can't believe we're here. Yeah, that's it.
Everybody, it already has a hammock.
Nuh-uh, we have two!
That's actually so clutch.
That is so close.
She said it has my name on it. Do you see my name? Yeah. Wait, no.
I can't read.
Yeah, Faith.
Okay, I was like, that looks
So
like
I
no.
park right here.
Yeah. You see him?
Are they little fairy lights? Holy crap!
Oh my goodness gracious.
Oh my.
Put one in there too. If we need.
Also, it smells weird in there, but it's fine.
Okay, we'll get over it.
It's like a weird, just a weird like canvas smell.
I kind of want to time how fast we can do this.
I know how to do this.
Do we need to put lighter fluid on all of it? No.
I don't think we need to put lighter fluid on it first.
No?
Because it doesn't burn what is if it's wet.
Okay, solid job by Logan.
Or just try
we
this.
need to put like leaves and stuff in the bottom. What? Oh, why?
Because they won't burn.
I'm like right in the smoke path.
Well, you know what they say.
No. I don't. What do they say?
Smoke follows beauty.
No
So
way.
Should we put a little bit of lighter fluid action? Yeah,
I'd say get a little bit more. Do not do it right now.
We can do that if this doesn't work.
Which bag?
Oh shit. Not a good job by Logan. Right here.
Oh no.
Sorry guys. Yep. Well, congratulations. Right here.
Okay.
Wow, we
I
really
think
just got
this
here and did our thing.
Jesse, fireman to the rescue.
Jesse's coming.
Look, oh my gosh, this is such a pretty picture. You're demolishing that.
We'll use it later. Okay.
Here, let me use my stick, please.
No, let me do it.
We have to at least try to save it.
I am saving it, Logan. There's fire still going. Thank you so much for that.
We're in our caveman era.
My marker broke somehow.
Too strong, girl.
Okay, Jesse's question is, what's something we do that annoys her? She's about to reveal it to us. Hold
Should I
on.
reveal first?
Hold
You
on,
guys
yeah.
do?
Ready, go.
Okay, so Logan, no self-respect. Sometimes. Just with other certain situations, I just think you should have more because I see more in you. Okay.
Okay.
Hadley, yours is that you figure out my trauma before me.
Oh, I put goes back to stupid men. LOLs, YOLO.
That's a given for both of you, for real.
Oh,
But
funny.
also because I'm just like, dang, like, stop figuring me out. Nope.
Okay.
Faster than your run, will help if you just sing along.
I knew you were gonna. Oh my gosh, I almost knocked over. My hot dog is so sad.
You should have got a dog bag.
Why are we wheezing?
Because your hot dog on a piece of wheat bread. White bread. I can't even freaking hold it. Oh my gosh. We're going to the bathroom. We're like in a red hat club. Sorry.
Yours are way better.
Wait, I think you need to do something a little like this, Jesse. I saw the largest spider earlier. I'm just telling the vlog that. On our yurt, so.
I saw a bigger, thicker one on my foot.
Waterfalls that way. Aw, you so sweet.
One for you
Thank you.
and one for me.
Wow. I'm telling the police.
Make sure there's no bugs on your thing before. There was a big bug on mine.
Okay, I looked briefly.
Okay, so I'm using this hat as a headband for my bangs right now, but we finally got settled in. We're gonna go to sleep, try to wake up for the sunrise. So we're gonna set our alarms at like 4:45 a.m. We're gonna drive to this trail and hopefully see the sunrise a little bit and check out the trail we're gonna go on, the waterfall. But yeah, it's been cute. This is my little cot, and then that's Jesse and Logan's cot. So we're gonna sleep in here, and I'm strapped with my taser, my flashlight, so we will be safe and we're just gonna kind of get ready for the day, and then we're planning to spend like 11 a.m. to 3:30 at the waterfall and at the little blue hole trail, which is where you can swim. So I've got my clothes picked out for tomorrow, got my swimsuit and like my hiking shoes and everything. And I started this book in the hammock, and I don't know, the first chapter, I think I don't get it. Satire, but it seems like extreme satire, so I'm trying to figure out what this book is about. But I feel like I'm playing like a horror gameplay. I feel like I'm playing like Slender Man gameplay. That's how I felt when I walked to the bathroom with my flashlight. Literally was ready to see a sign. Anyways, okay, goodbye. You're not going back up there?
Nope. Okay. Aim for the nuts.
Let's see if I remember to do this transition in the morning. Good night. Good morning. It is 6 something. Jesse and Logan are still sleeping. I don't know why I'm awake. We did not go see the sunrise. We all agreed 4:45 was too early. So I have to wait till 9 a.m. to get firewood, and then we're gonna cook pancakes and bacon on the fire. So this is the crazy part about camping. Trigger warning. Okay, like, why do you have to be so big and scary? It's the biggest fire I've ever seen. Like, no thank you, I'm done. That's gonna have to go there. So I'm looking on the website, and it says there's a spigot available for water. So now I have to find it. Oh my gosh, she responded so quickly. So we're gonna go find it. Oh, I found it. Okay, so I am gonna dispose of the spider trash. So let's see how brave I am. Where's your water? I'm gonna refill waters because I found out where the water thing is. The coffee is being brewed. Are you awake? Good morning.
Oh.
It is cool. Gonna try this camping hack. Just don't want you to get burnt. First one. Done.
We have the prettiest breakfast ever with the fruit and the sipping. Just give them to you.
Yeah. Letting
Early to see here.
freaking 1,000.
Your rating?
I'm rating it.
No, the falls.
Oh, 10 out of 10. I was about to say
We could probably fit more. You want to? Hello?
yeah.
Don't be mean.
Just say skip.
Just say skip is crazy.
Oh yeah. Let me just put all 4 on there.
I would.
Should we put 2 pieces each? Too many questions. Hold on. Okay. Because I don't know what I'm just stimulated.
I never cooked burgers before. This is our burger that, oh, it is not cooked.
Not at all? Okay.
No.
Well, I would have died.
We'll take one for the team. It is literally like raw.
That's 2, right? Yeah. Or on a fire.
Yes, it is. You have a face card.
Maybe full bodies are made not facing forward.
Leaving. You start the walk. How do we get over here?
Gotta go through the water.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I have to see like one little thing inside the water.
It's a rock.
Oh yeah.
It's not just a boulder. It's a rock. Look at that stacking. There's Jesse.
Oh,
Holy smokes. A fever dream.